Eating barbecue, eating barbecue. Have a little, you can have some too. That good beef brisket and the pulled pork too. Everybody's eating that barbecue. See chicken and rib jazz that tastes real fine. Have a little collard greens on the side. T-bone steak, that's a good for you. Still nothing better than eating barbecue. When you're eating that barbecue, baby, barbecue. Have a little, you can have some too. You can take a little home to Ray Murray too. Eating barbecue, eating barbecue now. Have a little, you can have some too. That good beef brisket and the pulled pork too. Said everybody's eating that barbecue. That big old burger that might taste fine. That kind of cooking doesn't suit my style. Hot dogs sitting on a foot-long bun. I smell that smoke, I just gotta run. Gets me a little barbecue, baby, barbecue. Have a little, you can have some too. Good beef brisket and the pulled pork too, baby. Everybody's eating that barbecue, yeah. Texas chili set your soul on fire, red beans and rice. There ain't nothing finer. Boudin blanc and a Cajun stew. Still nothing better than eating barbecue.
Hey, man.
When you're eating that barbecue, baby, barbecue. Have a little, you can have some too. That good beef brisket, pulled pork too, baby. Everybody eating that barbecue. So I'm shooting about a 40-pound shoulder of pork.
Hi, everybody. Hello. See you on YouTube.
Oh, no.